A seed is a secret waiting to grow. The kingdom is not for those with the loudest voices, but for those with the softest hearts. Will you be the good soil today? When the storm screams, the Savior walks. Peter stepped onto the impossible, and when he faltered, the hand of God was already there to catch him. Keep your eyes on him. The veil is pulled back. On the mountain, Jesus isn't just a teacher, he is the light of the world. Listen to him, for he is the one the law and the prophets were waiting for. How many times should we forgive? As many times as we have been forgiven. You cannot live in the king's freedom while holding your brother in a prison of bitterness. The king enters his city, but not on a war horse. He comes in humility, riding toward the cross. The world shouts Hosanna today, but will they follow him tomorrow? All the law, all the prophets, all the requirements of heaven boil down to this: love God with everything you are and love your neighbor as yourself. That is the heart of the king.